In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pull historic stock prices using Google Finance and Google Sheets. This is a super handy skill for anyone interested in tracking stock performance over time or analyzing market trends directly within a spreadsheet. So let's get started and dive into this step-by-step guide. First things first, you'll want to open Google Sheets. If you're logged into your Google account, you can do this by going to your Google Drive and selecting Google Sheets from the New button. If you don't have a Google account yet, you'll need to create one to access Google Sheets. Once you're in, open a new spreadsheet. This is going to be our workspace where we'll input our stock data and formulas. Next, you'll want to prepare your data. Create a new tab or column where you'll input the stock symbols that you're interested in researching. It's a good idea to label this column clearly, perhaps with something like stock symbol, so you know what information you're working with as you progress. Now click on an empty cell next to the stock symbol that you want historical data for. This is where we'll enter our formula. We're going to use the Google Finance function to pull this data. The formula you'll need is IC Google Finance, symbol, attribute, start date, end date, interval. Let's break this formula down a little. Symbol should be replaced with the stock ticker of the company you're interested in, like Google for Alphabet or AAPL for Apple. Attribute determines what kind of historical data you're looking for. It could be price, volume, etc. You can consult Google's documentation for an extensive list of these attributes. Start date and end date are the range for the historical data you're interested in, and interval refers to the frequency of the data, such as daily or weekly. Type this formula into the cell, making sure to replace the placeholders with your actual values. For example, if you're looking for Google's stock price from January 1st, 2021 to January 1st, 2022, on a daily basis, it might look like Google Finance, Google, price, date 2021, 1001, date 2022, 1001, daily. Once you've typed in your formula, press enter, and you'll see the historical stock data populate your sheet. If you want to pull data for additional stocks, just repeat the process in adjacent cells, changing the symbol as needed. Remember, Google Sheets is a powerful tool, but it's important to format your dates correctly and ensure your stock symbols are valid. With this method, you can create an insightful historical stock data sheet that's updated with precision. And that's it. Now you should be well equipped to pull historical stock prices using Google Finance and Google Sheets. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.